Hi friends, this is your favorite channel Divakar and Sons Tutorials. I am Gurunath Divakar and this is the exercise 1.1 on the chapter number 1, that is real numbers, and we have already solved the previous problems in our previous video. Now we are going to start the question number 3 on NCERT syllabus, page number 7. Okay friends, so before start I want to request all you people, so please subscribe my channel to encourage me, because I want to be with you in your success. So for that, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the explanation, like it and press the bell button for you people to encourage me. Okay friends, now start. So the question is, any army contingent of 616 members is to march behind any army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? This is the question, friends. First, I want to explain the question, because the question solution is very easy. Very easy. But here the trouble for some students is understanding the problem. It seems to be very complicated problem, but actually it is a very simple problem. When you understand this question, then you come to know it is very easy. Okay, come here. Any army contingent of 616 members. Friends, you have seen in TV where it is August 15th or any other national day. You have seen when there is March Past. You have seen there the band of military will go in front, and behind the following the band march, the military's members or goes in a march fast. You have seen there. So the question is on the same situation. Here first it is band. See here, on army band, 32 members. Here 32 members band is there. They have to go in a column. How many members in every column? It is not important here. They have to go in a column, and following this band march, 616 members has to go behind this. Here they are also in a column. They are also in the column, and the condition is the two groups, these two groups, band and military groups are to march in the same number of columns. These number of columns should be equal for both groups. See here, these are 616 members and these are 32 members. These are 32 members. These are 616 members. Both should be in a same number of columns. You understand? They should be in the same number of columns, means it is nothing but we have to divide these two numbers in equal columns. If it is equal column, then it is, the condition is in every column the members should be equal. Number of members, it is not important, but that number should be equal in all columns. Here also, here also. So we have to divide these two numbers in equal parts. When we have to divide in equal parts, then there should be nothing but it is a HCF. Why it is HCF? I will explain, my friends. 616's HCF, whatever it may be. What it shows, HCF means what it shows? It is a complete divisible number of this number. Means if it is 8, consider 8 is HCF of 616. What it means? This 616 divisible by 8, 8 is a divisor, then it divides 616 into equal parts. Same equal parts. The same way 8 is HCF of both. Then this 8 also divides 32 in equal parts. It is HCF. The meaning of HCF is it is only. Then here also what he is saying, we have to get same columns here and here. Columns should be same. Then it is nothing but we have to find the HCF of these two numbers. Are you understand, friends, the science, the mathematics behind this question? So it is very easy. HCF, to finding the HCF according to lemma, we have solved so many problems on this method. So we have to solve the same only. Okay. Now the question is 616 and 32. In these two, the bigger one should be A and smaller one should be B. According to that condition, A is equal to 616, B is equal to 32. Now we have to apply lemma. A is equal to B into Q plus R. So B is 616, Q is 32, sorry, B is 32, A is 616, B is 32, Q we have to find. So let us go long division. 32. So two numbers are there. We have to select two numbers here. 61. So 32 seconds there. It is 64. It is impossible. So we have to take first only. So 32. 29. If you have taken 6 here. 296. If you have taken 32 and 296, the difference is a lot. So let us take 9, bigger one. Yes, 9. Ninths are 9 twos are 18. 27 on 28. So this is 8 0 0. The remainder is 8 here. So sorry, into quotient is 19 plus remainder is 8. This is first step. Here R is not 0. We have to continue. Then our 32 is A here. 8 is B into. So we have to take long division again. So this is nothing but 4s, friends. 8 4s are 32. So the remainder should be 0. Then our HCF is 8. So conclusion, HCF of 616 and 32 is 8. But it is not the complete answer, friends. Now we have to explain why it is HCF. We have to explain here. So see, friends, if you divide 616, it will give number of, here what we have to do, 616s, we are dividing them in 8 columns. These columns are 8 here. And here also this is 8 columns. Here 8 columns. Here in every columns 4 members are there. because 8 into 4s are 32. The same way 616 is having 19 members in every columns. 8 columns. Okay, so 616 is having 19 columns. 19 members in 8 columns. So columns is equal, members is different, but we need the equal columns here. So we have to say which is divides in equal columns of two groups. This is the answer, friends. Okay, see, question is very easy, but we have to understand this. So let us go to the next video. Till that, best of luck, friends. Bye. Friends, I want to make a small correction here. I have told 616 members are in 8 columns. Okay, in every columns 19 members are there, I have told, but it is not. Actually, see here, 616, if you divide it by 8, 7s are 56, and it is 5 7s are 56. So these 616 members are divided in 8 columns. Then in every columns the number of members should be 77. In every columns 77 members are there. Here in this batch, in every columns 4 members are there. Like that it is divided by 2 batch and equal columns according what he had given. Okay friends, bye.